This is the AI Newsflash for May 27th, 7 a.m. UTC. First up, Fujitsu Global has officially announced a strategic partnership with OpenAI to dramatically accelerate AI transformation across Japan's enterprise sector. The two companies will integrate OpenAI's cutting-edge foundation models, including GPT-5.4 and other frontier models, into Fujitsu's enterprise platform Kozuchi, delivering large language models and AI agent capabilities at scale to thousands of Fujitsu's enterprise customers. The deal covers finance, manufacturing, retail, and government sectors across Japan, accelerating AI agent deployment and business process automation industry-wide. This follows SoftBank's additional $40 billion OpenAI investment and Microsoft's $281 billion cloud contract with OpenAI, marking a decisive milestone in OpenAI's Asia expansion strategy. Amid hyperscaler, four-company combined $725 billion capex boom in 2026, this Fujitsu OpenAI alliance enters the enterprise AI race alongside Microsoft Copilot and Google Agent Space. Combined with Japan's national AI strategy, including Rapidus 2 nanometer manufacturing and MIDI's AI Next strategy, this partnership positions Japan as a global pioneer in enterprise AI implementation. Second, the Wall Street Journal reports that French IT consulting giant Capgemini has officially unveiled its 2028 strategic plan, positioning AI surge harnessing as the central pillar. The €24 billion revenue global IT consulting leader plans major expansion of AI implementation services, focusing on agentic AI enterprise consulting and business process automation. Capgemini joins the global IT consulting AI race alongside Accenture, TCS, Infosys, Wipro, Deloitte, and KPMG, all competing for enterprise AI implementation market share. Amid massive layoffs across Indian IT consulting giants, TCS 60,000, Infosys 20,000, and Wipro restructuring, Capgemini differentiates through expanding AI services rather than cutting workforce. With the hyperscaler $725 billion capex boom driving enterprise AI implementation, the global IT consulting AI services market is projected to reach 500 trillion yen scale. Capgemini's strategy represents France and Europe asserting AI competitiveness, marking 2026 as a critical turning point in the global IT consulting AI market battle. Third, South China Morning Post exclusively reports that China has officially added AI chips to its Secure Technology Assessment list, dramatically accelerating semiconductor self-sufficiency against U.S. export curbs. China's NDRC National Development and Reform Commission and MIT Ministry of Industry and Information Technology jointly designated AI chips as strategic national resources, launching a comprehensive plan to replace foreign-made AI semiconductors with domestic alternatives. The scope covers AI accelerators, GPUs, CPUs, HBM high-bandwidth memory, FPGAs, and custom ASICs, effectively targeting the entire AI semiconductor ecosystem for domestic substitution. Huawei Ascend AI chips, DeepSeek-driven adoption, and aggressive domestic deployment now position China to challenge NVIDIA's H200 dominance through its own AI stack. Combined with Cambricon, Hikvision, MetaX Technology, Burentech, and SMIC, China's domestic AI semiconductor ecosystem fundamentally undermines U.S. export control effectiveness. With timing just before the Trump XI APEC summit, this announcement signals China's hard tech independence stance, marking a decisive moment in the U.S.-China AI geopolitical battle. Fourth, Engadget exclusively reports that Samsung Electronics union members have voted to approve a deal granting chip workers up to $400,000 in bonuses, resolving a historic labor dispute. After weeks of failed wage negotiations and an 18-day total strike threat from May 21st, the company conceded, agreeing to $400,000 lump sum bonuses matching SK Hynix's $900,000 annual disbursement. This marks a decisive milestone for global AI semiconductor supply chain stability, securing HBM4 high-bandwidth memory mass production capacity and maintaining record profit momentum at the three major memory suppliers. Securing next-generation HBM4 memory supply for NVIDIA Vera Rubin GPUs eliminates the largest bottleneck for global AI infrastructure deployment under the $725 billion capex boom. JP Morgan's projected 43 trillion won annual operating profit impact and sole government intervention concerns dissipate, securing the AI memory supercycle continuity. This Samsung labor agreement becomes a model case for structurally revising employee compensation amid the AI demand explosion in 2026. Fifth, MarkTechPost exclusively reports a revolutionary new AI framework called MEMO, enabling large language models to continuously learn new knowledge without modifying any LLM parameters. Traditional LLM knowledge updates require full parameter fine-tuning, incurring massive computational costs and catastrophic forgetting problems. MEMO solves this by training a dedicated memory model independently while keeping the base LLM completely frozen. The modular framework design allows knowledge updates by training only the memory model, preserving the base LLM intact, achieving the long-sought balance between new domain knowledge addition and existing capability retention. Amid enterprise AI implementation entering full-scale phase, continuous learning and adaptation of corporate data, such as legal contracts, medical research, and latest information, remain the most critical technical challenges. MEMO expands the LLM knowledge integration toolkit alongside retrieval augmented generation RAG and long context processing techniques, presenting a new paradigm in the field. Drawing significant attention from AI research and academia, MEMO positions itself as the most important emerging technology category in the 2026 enterprise AI implementation stack. That's all for this AI News Flash.